Hello everyone, welcome to this session on Network Address Translation or NAT. In this session, we will explore what is NAT, how it works, and why it's so crucial in modern networking. Let's dive in. To start, let's understand what is NAT. NAT is method that allows multiple devices in a private network to share a single public IP address to communicate with the internet. Its primary purpose are to conserve IP address and enhance security in a network. In a world where IP addresses are becoming insanely scarce, NAT has become essential for both home and enterprise network. So why we do need NAT? The answer lies in a scarcity of IPv4 address. IPv4 can only accommodate about 4.3 billion unique IP addresses, which may sound like a lot, but in reality it's not enough for the billions of devices connected to the internet today. NAT allows many devices to share a single public IP and drastically reducing the need for multiple unique public IP addresses. Additionally, NAT provides security by hiding the private IP address of device in the network from the outside world, making it more difficult to attacks to target a specific device. Lastly, NAT enables scalability, allows network to grow without running out of IP address. Now let's take a closer look at how NAT works. Imagine there are four PC are private IP address which is only had valid network which is local network connected to IP address. When the PC send request to the internet, the router replaces the private IP with his own IP address, and that's the process is called translation part, and that is NAT. When the website respond, the router translate public IP to back to the PC, forward by the response. This process happens so quickly that you don't even notice it. And that process are showed in previous picture. Devices are in a private network use of IP. Router replaces the private address with the public IP when the sending to the and then response come to the back to translation IP to the router. And there are three main type of NAT. First one is static NAT. This is one-to-one mapping between a private IP address and a public IP address. It's commonly used for servers that need to be accessed from the internet. Second one is dynamic NAT. This type of NAT is a private IP address to public IP address from a pool of available IPs. Once the translation is done, the IP is released back to the pool. Last one is PAT, port address translation. This is the most common form of NAT. It allows many devices within a private network to share a single public IP address by using different port number of each connection. This is often referred to as a NAT overload. Let's quickly go over some to the key benefit of NAT. First one is conservation of IP address by allowing multiple devices to share one public IP, and NAT help us manage the limit pool of IPv4 address. Second one is improved security. NAT hide the private IP address from the public internet, adding a layer of security to your internal device. And last one is scalability. NAT makes it easier to expand your network as you don't need a unique IP for every single device. While NAT is incredibly used, it does come with some challenges. For example, it can complicate peer-to-peer application like VoLP or online gaming where direct communication between devices is required. Additionally, troubleshooting network issue can be more difficult because of the translation process can sometimes obscure the real source of a problem. Now let's look at the real world example. NAT is everywhere. Every time you browse the web, stream or a video or play an online game, you are using NAT. In home networks, devices like laptop, smartphone, and even the smart TVs all share a single public IP address through the NAT. Enable them it communicate with the internet without requiring individual public IPs. In conclusion, the NAT is an essential technology that make modern network possible. It allows us to conserve IP address, improve network security, and easily scale network. Without NAT, the internet as we know it would face significant challenges. It truly the unsung hero of networking. And thank you for your attention. If you have any question or comments, feel free to ask. And if you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Connect with us on social media for more insight on networking and technology. Thanks again, and see you next time. Okay, bye.